Alright fellas, figured you'd want to see this. It's a 1954 Dodge I've been working on. Maybe you guys want to see the interior, huh? That's a neat little truck. It's in really good shape. Needs a little bit of help with the gauges, but you know, she's not doing too bad. Mostly fine tuning. Does have a lot of poorly repaired rust areas on it though. So I've been doing a bunch of work on this truck, including freeze plugs, carburetor rebuild, you name it. And it wasn't running too good, but now it's running pretty good. So I'll show you how we start this up. So push in your clutch, and then on the old trucks, you have a push button starter. So turn your key on. And see, that's not how you do it. Just turn it to on. Come on, baby. There we go. Needed to have it one position further. As you can hear, she fires right up. That starter needs a bearing, but pretty neat old truck. She was smoking out the tailpipe a minute ago, but it stopped doing that, so I think the rings have freed up and seated. We had an oil leak. I got that taken care of. All in all, we're doing pretty good. Let's show you under the hood. Guys, we just did a whole bunch of stuff on here, including changing freeze plugs. Tidied up all the wiring. Now we're letting her run. Rebuilt the carburetor. Idling great. Let it warm up and see what it does. I think we got to lift her stick in a little bit. We're going to put some seafoam in there and see if we can get that ungummed. She's doing pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy this. I know it's a super short video, but thought it'd be neat to show you since I haven't done any footage of this one yet. This is Reaper signing off on another one.